In this video, I'll show you how you can create a secret folder in Windows so no one can see it. So maybe it's a private document, personal photos, all the stuff you don't want anyone to see, especially if you are using any shared PC with anyone. So good news is you can hide your folder in a way that is super low key without downloading any fancy software. So in this video, I'll show you how you can make a secret folder in Windows that most people won't even notice exists. So let's make your file invisible. For that, method one is using hidden plus no name folder. For that, you can just simply create a new folder anywhere you want, then rename it. But instead of typing a name, you have to hold down Alt key and type 255 from the numeric keypad, then hit enter. You must have to type from numeric keypad, otherwise it won't work. After typing 255, you have to right click on the folder, go to properties, then customize tab and change icon. You have to scroll through the icon and choose a blank or transparent one, then hit OK, then apply. Now your folder has no name and no visible icon. It's practically invisible unless someone knows it's there. So method 2 is hide folder with a built-in tool. Right click on the folder you want to hide, click properties, then check the box that says hidden, then click apply, then OK. To make it reappear later, you have to go to view tab in file explorer, then click show, then hidden items, and you just have to toggle it on or off. You can also use any tool like 7-zip or WinRAR to compress your folder and add a password. And that's how you can simply make any folder invisible. It's easy, and if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more tech videos like that. And thanks for watching. See you in the next one.